Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some language and technology trivia. What protocol is used for email exchange? Is it A, POP3, B, HTTP, C, SMTP, or D, FTP? The correct answer is C, SMTP. Which language is primarily used for web front end? Is it A, JavaScript, B, CSS, C, Python, or D, HTML? The correct answer is A, JavaScript. What organization develops the HTML standard? Is it ASO, B, IETF, W3C, or D, ITLE? The correct answer is C. Which language is known as the lingua franca of tech? Is it A, English, B, French, C, Mandarin, or D, Spanish? The correct answer is A, English. What does URL stand for in technology? Is it A, user resource log, B, uniform resource locator, C, universal reference link, or D, unidentified resource label? The correct answer is B, uniform resource locator. Which programming language is known for data science? Is it A, Python, B, Pascal, C, JavaScript, or D, COBOL? The correct answer is A, Python. What encoding is commonly used for text? Is it A, ASCII, B, UTF-8, base64, or D, HTML entities? The correct answer is B, UTF-8. Which social media platform uses a bird logo? Is it A, Instagram, B, Facebook, C, Snapchat, or D, Twitter? The correct answer is D, Twitter. What technology powers virtual reality? Is it A, Bluetooth, B, AIC, VR, or D, 5G? The correct answer is C, VR. Which technology encompasses physical devices connected by the internet? Is it A, IoT, B, virtual reality, C, cloud computing, or D, smartphone technology? The correct answer is AOT. What coding language is used for web styling? Is it A, JavaScript, B, C, CSS, or D, HTML? The correct answer is CS. What company created the first commercial computer? Is it A, Apple, Microsoft, C, IBM, or D, UNIVAC? The correct answer is D, UNIVAC. Which tech giant is headquartered in Mountain View? Is it A, Amazon, B, Apple, C, Google, or D, Microsoft? The correct answer is C, Google. What is the primary function of a router? Is it A, data storage, B, networking, C, video streaming, or D, email filtering? The correct answer is B, networking. Which protocol is used for secure web browsing? Is it A, IPXB, SMTP, or D, HTTPS? The correct answer is D. What technology uses blockchains for transactions? Is it A, digital currency, B, cryptocurrency, C, online banking, or D, stock market? The correct answer is B, cryptocurrency. Which markup language is used for web documents? Is it A, B, JSON, C, HTML, or D, CSS? The correct answer is C, HTML. What is the name of Microsoft's cloud computing platform? Is it A, AWS, B, Azure, C, IBM Cloud, or D, Google Cloud? The correct answer is B, Azure. What system uses a graphical user interface? Is it A, DOS, B, API, C, GUI, or D, CLI? The correct answer is C, GUI. What tool is commonly used for collaborative coding? Is it A, Zoom, B, Git, C, Notepad+, or D, SVN? The correct answer is B, Git. What company created the iPhone? Is it A, Microsoft, B, Apple, C, Nokia, or D, Samsung? The correct answer is B, Apple. What does the acronym LAN stand for? Is it A, Long Access Network, B, Large Application Node, C, Low Altitude Navigation, or D, Local Area Network? The correct answer is D, Local Area Network. What is the common file extension for text files? Is it A, b.doc, c.jtxp? The correct answer is dxt. Which social media platform is famous for photos? Is it A, TikTok, B, Twitter, C, Snapchat, or D, Instagram? The correct answer is D, Instagram. What protocol is used for file transfer? Is it A, FTP, B, SMTP, CCP, or DPOP3? The correct answer is A, FTP. Which company is famous for its Xbox consoles? Is it A, Nintendo, B, Microsoft, C, Sega, or D, Sony? The correct answer is B, Microsoft. What type of storage uses flash memory? Is it A, HDD, B, SSD, C, tape drive, or D, CD-ROM? The correct answer is B, SSD. What is often used to provide feedback in apps? Is it A, push messages, B, user reviews, C, notifications, or D, alerts? The correct answer is C, notifications. What technology enables wireless communication between devices? Is it A, satellite dish, B, 4G LTE, C, infrared port, or D, Bluetooth? The correct answer is D, Bluetooth. What does the acronym API stand for? Is it A, Application Performance Indicator, B, Application Programming Interface, C, Automated Process Interface, or D, Advanced Protocol Integration? The correct answer is B, Application Programming Interface. Which language is widely used for web backend? Is it A, Ruby on Rails, B, PHP, C, JavaScript, or D, Python? The correct answer is PHP. What is the term for the speed of internet connection? Is it A, data rate, B, latency, C, bandwidth, or D, throughput? The correct answer is C, bandwidth. What does VPN stand for in networking? Is it A, Virtual Personal Network, B, Virtual Private Network, C, Very Private Node, or D, Variable Protocol Network? The correct answer is B, Virtual Private Network. What is used for automated software testing? Is it A, Test Suite, B, User Manual, C, Server Logs, or D, Debugging Tools? The correct answer is A, Test Suite. What is the standard image file format for photographs? Is it A, BMP, B, PNG, C, GIF, or D, JPEG? The correct answer is D, PEG. Which programming language is known for system programming? Is it A, Ruby, B, Python, C, JavaScript, or DC? The correct answer is DC. What does the acronym DNS stand for? Is it A, Data Name Structure, B, Dynamic Network Service, C, Domain Network Service, or D, Domain Name System? The correct answer is D, Domain Name System. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.